In today's video, you will learn how to apply baking soda on your face and the benefits it has for your skin. Baking soda is an ingredient that you'll always find in your kitchen cabinet. But have you ever thought of adding it to your beauty regimen? Yes, it might sound absurd, but the fact is that baking soda carries enormous benefits for your skin. Because it's naturally alkaline, it balances your skin's pH levels to make it glow with radiance. Baking soda also helps in exfoliating dead skin cells to reveal new freshness. When it comes to acne breakouts, it can help soothe mild pain and inflammation. You can also use it as an exfoliant or add it to other acne treatments to boost their effects. Did you know that? However, it's not recommended for everyday use. Baking soda can really work wonders as a skin treatment when it's used correctly, in the right manner and quantities. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Here are 3 ways to apply baking soda on your face. 1. As an exfoliant or facial mask. Some people add baking soda to their facial mask or scrub to help soothe inflammation or remove dead skin cells. After using a facial cleanser, mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with enough warm water to make a paste. You can apply this paste using your fingertips and massage it into your skin. When used as a facial mask, leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your face immediately when used as an exfoliant. Apply a facial moisturizer right after using it as an exfoliant or facial mask to prevent your skin from drying out. Use this method 1 to 2 times a week. 2. As a facial cleanser. Like the exfoliant treatment method, you can include a bit of baking soda in your skincare routine to get rid of acne breakouts. Add a half teaspoon of baking soda to your daily facial cleanser to boost its power. Apply and gently massage this mixture to your face. After rinsing your face, immediately apply a facial moisturizer to prevent tightness and dry skin. Continue using your daily cleanser as directed, but only use baking soda once or twice a week. 3. For spot treatment. To use baking soda to spot treat acne bumps on your face, make a paste by mixing enough water and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Apply the paste onto the bumps and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Rinse it off thoroughly with water and apply a moisturizer afterward. Some may even suggest leaving the mixture overnight, but this may increase the risk of side effects, such as overdrying of the skin, skin irritation, and inflammation. Baking soda can also be a bit harsh for people with sensitive skin types. So, if you have sensitive skin, do a patch test on your arm first before applying it to your face. If there's no irritation or redness, you can continue using it. However, do not use it too frequently. Once a week is ideal. Right from being an excellent exfoliator to spot treating pimples, baking soda has properties that could potentially make it your skin's best friend. Try it and see the difference. If you have used baking soda on your face as a natural treatment, share with us your experience. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.